Levels of reflection. In 1995, there was a theory developed or methodology for levels of learning and reflection. And this methodology has become probably one of the most well-known frameworks within the use of reflection. So the researchers proposed that when individuals engaged with others through questioning and conversation, that the reflective practice was further developed. Of course, writing is an essential component to this process. Through these levels of reflection, students are encouraged to criticize and evaluate their beliefs and ideas and even their actions. And there's a tool to gauge this learning experience as well as that reflective process. So level 1, descriptive writing. In this stage, writing does not show any reflection. It's just a record of events. It might be just writing down all of the facts or writing down the experience. It's actually a more passive-based kind of learning. Level 2 is descriptive reflection, and this is the stage that demonstrates more descriptive writing. It's going to include information or insights from varying viewpoints instead of just one viewpoint. This is where we get more active learning than passive learning. Level 3 is a dialogic reflection. And within this point of reflection, this is where the learner is going to step back from the learning experience and does more exploring on that experience. The learner is going to actually acknowledge that other points of view exist and that other explanations exist. And there's more analysis that occurs at this stage. The last stage is called critical reflection, and this is the pinnacle of reflective practice. The learner is going to acknowledge that many different perspectives actually exist, and the learner is going to also evaluate those perspectives. They might even rank them within their value of the situation. Also, historical, social, and even political ideas may be brought in or may be evaluated and even part of the concern at this stage. So how do you develop some reflective practice? Any learning event anything that has a hands-on event is going to help to develop the reflective practice when questioning and looking back on it. You can integrate different learning personality methodologies, use case studies, set learning goals, create a scrapbook, use graphic organizer, especially within the realm of portfolios or learning journals, because that's really going to help to pull all those graphic organizers and pieces together. Develop a system of a learning journal that uses reflective practice. There are a lot of wonderful theories out there, so go out and choose one that you feel best meets your needs. Use real-world experiences. Summarize. Try storyboarding. Also, use self-assessment. So be sure that you introduce learners to this level of reflection and encourage them to start grading themselves. Let them look at how they're doing. And in this way, you are becoming and empowering people in order to help them to really see what they need and which way they're going to be going and what else needs to be done within that.